Hey guys, this is R.V.C and I'm back again with another video. I decided to purchase the BlackBerry Keyone Black Edition, which comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of ROM. Looking around the package, we have some specifications at the back of the package. You can pause the video to get technical. Let's jump into the unboxing. So we get usual stuff like the SIM ejector tool, some user manuals, a pair of wired earphones with BlackBerry branding, silicone caps for different sizes, a Type-C USB cable for charging the device and data sync. Finally, we get a power brick, which I believe is a fast charger. The phone itself isn't that heavy and it has a nice texture to it with awesome build quality. At the back, we have a 12 megapixel camera with f2.0, which can also record video up to 4K at 30 FPS. We also have a dual tone LED flash and BlackBerry logo. At the bottom we have a Type-C port, microphone for voice calls and a speaker grill. On top of the device we have a 3.5mm port for media consumption and a noise cancellation mic. One of the side we have a volume rocker and a convenience key, which can be programmed to whatever you like. The other side we have a power button. At the front we have an 8 megapixel camera, a speaker grill, an LED notification light and a light sensor. Of course we have the screen and the physical keyboard. The 4.5-inch screen is awesome, though it's not that bright, but the colors are natural and it produces sharp text. BlackBerry is all about physical keyboard. This time they packed a fingerprint scanner on the spacebar. It's not the fastest, but it's accurate. The performance so far is pretty snappy, but I will test it and I will give my final verdict. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.